Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add bold text on LinkedIn. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open up LinkedIn. Let's say you want to post a status, you want to update a blog now. If you want to update a blog or an article, you can definitely bold the text. But if you're trying to update a status or a specific post, when you tap the post option here, and then you try to write something in a bold text, you will not be able to do it. You can see the normal text over here. Just copy the text that you want to actually convert to bold over here. So I'll just select all the texture and then I'll copy it. Once I've done that, what I'm going to do is to open up my browser. Once I open up my browser, you have to go to this website, which is called yatext.com. Now all I need to do is make sure you paste the text over here, and then you can see all of these text previews over here at the bottom of the screen. You can see underline. Simply look for the bold ones over here. Once you find the ones that you actually want to look for, just copy it. You can. Now, once you've copied them, just come back, and then I'll show you the difference if I just paste it over here. As you can see, the text has been converted into bold. Now, this not only works on LinkedIn, it also works on Facebook, it also works on Instagram and other social media apps as well. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.